We'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT lagging and being slow. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, one of the most common reason for lag is very long chat or large input. So let's say I have this particular chat. So I'll just click on it to open the chat, and as you can see, it is taking quite a long time to load. So I'll just wait for it to finish loading. And as you can see, this chat is quite long. So basically, after the chat becomes too long, the chat GPT will start lagging. So if you have any important information, you can just type something like, you can just type, give me every info from this chat, and also write a master prompt. So when I paste it in the new chat GPT session, it will give me the exact result as you are giving me now, and don't miss any info from this chat and just send the message. After that, just wait for the response, and you will see we have successfully got a master prompt and the information. So you can just basically select this and copy and send it in the new chat, and the new chat will run much smoother. And after running in the new chat, just make sure to delete this particular topic by just clicking on a three dot like so, and just choose to delete it from here. And another quick fix is to refresh the page or restart the app. This can clear temporary issue and instantly improve performance. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause delay in loading responses, so make sure you are connected to a stable network. And if you are using ChatGPT in any browser, try switching to a different one. Like if you are using Google, just try ChatGPT in Microsoft Edge. And you can also clear your browser cache to help improve performance. And I would also suggest to try avoiding to send extremely large prompt all at once. Breaking them into smaller parts can help responses generate faster. And also make your app or browser is up to date, as updates often include performance improvement. And that's it. Those are some simple ways to fix ChatGPT lagging and keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.